This Realty One Group Properties property video is presented by Donna Blantin. Maintenance-free and energy efficient. Sell that lawnmower and sit back and relax in this perfect patio home in Verdict Ridge. Put your rocking chair on the front porch and watch the golfers on this award-winning golf course. Open the front door into a fabulous open floor plan with hardwood floors throughout foyer, dining room, kitchen and great room. $10,000 in upgrades includes plantation shutters throughout. Hardwoods in master bedroom, kitchen backsplash. Quality kitchen cabinets with tons of storage, stainless steel appliances and large center island with granite countertops. Perfect for gourmet cook, 5-burner gas cooktop with wall oven and microwave. Great room flows into a screened-in porch, perfect for those summer nights and great for entertaining. Large backyard with patio and privacy. Energy-efficient fresh air ventilation and HVAC system means low utility bills. Verdict Ridge features golf, pool, tennis, social activities, playground and walking trails. Membership is optional. For more